2 years ago, Google introduced the Home, its first smart speaker. Unlike the Echo, with its cylindrical and tall shape that looked like a large router, the Home was short, robust and decidedly friendlier in appearance. Google followed the same design philosophy with last year's Home Mini, a case wrapped in fabric that looked more like a piece of home decor than a smart speaker. Of course, the Home Max looks more like a speaker, since that is its main purpose, but it still has the aesthetics lined with fabric. The underlying design philosophy behind all this: look as inconspicuous as possible. For us, the main goal of everything we create is to adapt to people's lives, said Isabelle Olsson, head of industrial design at Google's home products. Olsson has a long history of art and design, and was also the designer behind the original Google Glass. He joined the team after the launch of the original home speaker, as the company decided to develop a design department only for Google Home products. One of the ways in which Olsson and his team address the design of Google Home products is to help people think of them as a softer side of technology. Think of a busy city, with dark, twinkling lights at night. Then you wake up in the morning, and the snow has fallen, creating this calm and tranquility.